आऊज़ बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. This is House of Fashion signing in once again in front of you. Welcome back to the channel viewers. Hope you all are fine. May Allah Almighty bless you always with the prosperity, health and wealth. Ameen summa ameen. Viewers, onto your screen you are watching a very incredible and the very beautiful, very stunning and the trendy, plus the ongoing seasons nail art ideas, which is for Halloween, fall, Thanksgiving and the Christmas season. So you have incredible French Halloween, fall and Thanksgiving nail art in front of you in this photo stream video. So watch the video till end and enjoy all the lovely ideas of these stunning centerpieces, and write us in the comment section that which one you like the best and the most from all over the video. And if you like one of the idea, then write us in the comment section. If you like the video, then don't forget to press the thumbs up button, and if you doesn't like the video, then also don't forget to press the thumbs down button, so that we know how many viewers from all over the world is liking our videos and disliking our videos. Now let's move on and begin to watch incredible ideas of beautiful nail art. But first, if you have any suggestions, any advices, anything else which you want to watch onto our channel, write us in the comment section so that we will bring you a wonderful video onto your demands that you want to watch onto our channel. Now the incredible one, the beautiful nail art in front of you with the checks pumpkin with some stars, and the contrasts are very unique. Some metallics, some glitter, some matte, but the color contrast with the French is going very wonderful and very beautiful, very amazing one with some white base, wonderful tip nail art, beautiful styles, the great one, very nice one, the lovely style, beautiful one, again very interesting. Viewers, here I am going to remind you that always watching the video till end, you have to write us that from which city in a country you are watching us, so that we will bring you a wonderful video onto your demands that you want to watch onto our channel. Viewers, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new onto my channel and you are not subscribed it yet, then subscribe it first. And don't forget to follow the channel by clicking and pressing the bell icon also. Share my channel with your friends and family and the social media which is used by yourself. Don't forget to visit the channel to meet more royals of the world and the nail art which is put it by House of Fashion. And write us that which royal or a nail art you want to watch onto our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Stay tuned. Take care.